Max, bring him over here.
Hey, look. Be careful with that. I don't know if y'all know this, but I'm I mean, like, because I can't see the ground, I'm terrified that they're going to fall in the hole. And just fall all the way down and be in the like a canyon. Jay, don't throw
Max!
those.
No, sir.
Mom, there's trouble! Yeah, but you throw them too hard. Neil, that's high enough for Mommy.
Hannah,
Neil,
it's high enough.
hard. Mom, take a picture.
What you doing, Hill? That looks like a lot of fun. Don't fall off the cliff. Don't fall off that hill. 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 Ah.